Hello folks, we are back again with the next problem, that is problem number 3. Let's read what the problem says. The problem says that the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle with fixed base B are decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the area decreasing when the two equal sides are equal to the base? Oh, quite a good and challenging problem. They give us an isosceles triangle and they ask us to, I'm actually searching for my scale because I need to draw the isosceles triangle. Where is my scale gone? Absconding. Oh yeah, it's down. Yeah, so you need to find an isosceles triangle. There is a base B, they say. The base is B and these two sides, they are unknown. They say that this side, there is a decrease. The two sides with fixed base B is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So, negative, if you want, you can write the negative, 3 centimeter per second. That's how it's decreasing. And then you have to find out how the area will decrease. So, we need to introduce these terms and then we should find out what is the decrease in the area. Now it's very clear to us that area of a triangle, you can find half base into height. Height is not there. So we may have to drop a thing and get the height. Yeah, because it's not there. So let's introduce all this. Let B, X, H be the base, equal sides and height of the given triangle. Okay, then we can say that maybe we'll name this in right triangle ABC. See, we have dropped the height, so it will be a right triangle. So in right triangle ABC, what happens? We have this is C, okay, ABC. We'll have what is that? AC squared plus BC squared equal to AB squared. Why we get this? We get this by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now AC squared for us, it is H squared that we have told. BC squared, now see, it's always in equilateral triangle and in isosceles triangle, if you drop an altitude, it divides the side, it becomes a median. So it divides the side, it becomes B over 2 and B over 2, like that. So it's clear to us that BC is going to be B over 2 and AB is X for us. So what's the height? Height is going to be X squared. Let's take this on that side, B squared over 4. So the height will be root of X squared minus B squared over 4. So if this is the height, let's try to find out the area of the triangle because our emphasis is on the area. So let's find the area of the triangle. Area A is going to be half base into height. They have told us that the decrease of the equal sides is -3. That's been told to us. So let's see how we can use it. Area is half base into height. So A is going to be half times base, which is B. It's a constant. You cannot change it. But H is root of X squared minus B squared over 4. If you want, you can equalize it. Yeah, let's equalize it. That's better. Times 4 times 4. So it will become 4x squared minus b squared and the root 4 can go out and it will become 2. So that way this can become 4. Let's make it proper. Yeah, 2 times 2. Let's move it out. So this is your root that comes. Obviously, we know that we have to show the rate and all that. So let's take the first derivative with respect to t on both sides. So b over 4, this is going to be 1 over 2 times root of 4x squared minus b squared and the derivative of the thing inside. So that's going to be 8x and b squared of course doesn't have derivative. So this can cancel and you're left with x over root of 4x squared minus b squared. That's your dA over dt. Okay, let's see what they ask us. They ask us How fast is the area decreasing? They are asking us the rate of change of area. So how fast is the area decreasing when, yeah. Yes. So that's the thing that we have to find. Yeah, and when they tell how fast is the area decreasing when the equal sides becomes equal to the base, that's been told to us. One more thing, this is with respect to t, so we have to account for that. So dx by dt. So this has to be done at x equal to b because they've told that you have to take x as b. So let's see what comes. dA by dt whenever x becomes b at x equal to b is going to be b over here root of 4b squared minus b squared, and then dx by dt is actually negative 3, but then area is also decreasing, so you can account for it. 3. Okay. So what happens? So this is minus, so this is going to be root of 4b squared minus b squared is going to be root of 3b squared, which is root 3b. So let's write root 3b and 3 here. So 3 we know we can write it as root 3 times root 3, so that this can cancel. We know 3 is root 3 into root 3. B can cancel. You are left with negative root 3. That's all, isn't it? Negative root 3. Dx by dt is, yeah. So I have to keep checking the question just to see that what we have done is correct or not. How fast is the how fast is the area decreasing when the two equal sides are equal to the base? Yeah. I don't know, there's this b here and there is a b which comes from, wait a minute, yes, oh, there is a b here which has been skipped. So that b will continue. Yeah, one of the b's will cancel, but that b will continue. That's it. So let's conclude, the decrease and all that. For how fast is the area decreasing when the two sides are equal to the base? Decreasing. So that's the negative sign is accounting for that. So the area decreases as root 3b. That's it. So that's all for this question where they have asked us to find, it's a rate measure question. So that's how we go about and we find the area by whatever is given to us. That's all for this video. With more problems, we can meet in the next video. As I always tell, please popularize the channel and spread a word. Thank you.